In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Libby. Libby is a free app by OverDrive that lets you borrow ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines from many public, school, and academic libraries when you have a valid library card. To begin on a phone or tablet, open your device's App Store. On an iPhone, look for the blue App Store icon with a white letter A, usually on your home screen or in your app library. On an Android device, you will use the Google Play Store, which has a multicolor triangle icon. When you tap your App Store icon, it will open to a main page with featured apps and a search field near the top, which is where you need to be. Now use the search feature to look for Libby. In the search box, type Libby by OverDrive. Make sure you see the word Libby followed by the words by OverDrive, since there can be other apps with similar names. When you run the search, you will see a list of results. The correct app usually shows a burgundy circle icon with a small character peeking over a book and the developer name OverDrive written underneath. Once you have found the correct result, tap Get on an iPhone or Install on an Android device. On iPhone, the Get button may ask you to confirm with your face, fingerprint, or Apple ID password before the download starts. On Android, the Install button begins downloading right away. You will see a small progress circle or bar showing that the app is downloading and then installing. Beginners sometimes tap the button many times, but one tap is enough, and the button will change to show that the install is in progress. After the installation is complete, open the Libby app. On most devices, the Get or Install button will change to an Open button that you can tap right away. You can also find Libby on your home screen or in your app drawer with that same burgundy icon you saw in the store. When Libby opens, you will see a welcome screen that introduces the app and then leads you through adding your library and signing in with your library card, so you can start borrowing digital books and audiobooks immediately. If you are on a computer, the process is even simpler. You do not have to install anything at all. Open your usual web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, and in the address bar type libbyapp.com. Press Enter and the Libby website loads, showing a clean page with options to find your library and sign in. From there, you can sign in using your library card details and begin borrowing right in the browser with no download. So in this video, you got Libby on your phone, tablet, or computer and reached the sign-in screen where borrowing can begin. If this helped you get Libby set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear library tech guides.